What is up, you guys? Today we're doing some Grinch glam and a few more things. Stay tuned. So let's do a little holiday makeup, but first that's better. Wait. There we go. Perfect. So guys, today we're gonna do a little bit of holiday makeup. Okay, so I had got this. Look at, don't we just love that? Look at the inside. Gorge. Don't we just love that? Super gorge. I'm gonna use my Blood Money palette. If you know, you know, girl. So we're gonna go Grinchy vibes, but cute, you know? Cute. Okay guys, so in the fashion of old YouTube videos, this is my Kat Von D blending brush. Use code. I don't have a code. I'm gonna go in with mint condition right here.
Mommy, what? Mommy, you don't need it?
Not today. So I went in with mint condition, and I know it looks crazy, but we're just gonna blend into the crease. We're gonna blend. What, baby?
I love you, Mom.
I love you too. Okay, so now that we've blended out, and it looks a little crazy, trust the process. I think I'm gonna go in with crocodile tears right here. Mommy. And we're gonna put that into the crease as well. Okay, so we've blended more of the crocodile tears into the crease. Okay, so we're just blending. Okay, so the third color I'm gonna go in with is gonna be this brown one right here, right there. It's gonna just give it like,
Mom.
What? So, you know I have to film with my kids around, but tell me why they're trying to drink my bubbly. So, we're gonna put into the crease. Thank you. Okay, so besides the brown, I went in back in with crocodile tears and just kind of went over it a little. It's giving a Christmas goth to me, but that's okay. I can live with that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. brush and CEO, the gold and like this kind of green shimmery. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of CEO on the top. Ooh, I love that. Whew. Gorge. Ugh. So like poison ivy, look at that. Do I want to put that in the center of my eye? So I like to do like the little center in your eye, like, so to get the highlight like where the teardrops are, you can wet this or spray it. You can set it, you can spray with like a setting spray and just kind of go in. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go in with poison ivy. Oh, look at that. Gorge, look at that color. Okay, Grinch vibes. We're going all in. Oh, look at that. Gorge. Love. Okay, so this side, and now I'm gonna go in on the other side, and that's gonna be for the other eye. Woo! Love that. Wow. So I really love Jeffree Star like products. If you know me, you know that I'm always boasting about it, but look at that, like just like if you can refer me to another makeup brand that does this with colors, girl, let me know. Look at how cute that is. Gorge, right? So this is what it looks like right now. It looks crazy, but trust the process, girl. Trust it. And that's it for the eyeshadows. Eyeliner time. So I always go in with Stella. She's my favorite. Okay, so this is what we look like with the eyeliner on. Cute. Again, trust the process. So I like to put setting spray before and after. Christmas. We're gonna go in again with another Jeffree Star item. Let's blend. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just contour the cheeks with Wet n Wild on my e.l.f. brush. And Let's make her look snatched. And then I get a little bit more and I just kind of just always put it up here. That's it for contour. And then I just like to go in with my setting spray all over again. And fan that down, girl. Fan it down. Okay, now it's some mascara time. So I do have two that I kind of use on the daily. This one's from CoverGirl, and look at that. I kind of like these kind of chunky brushes. Okay, so I finished going in with the CoverGirl, and now we're gonna go ahead and go in with our Maybelline. Okay, so the look's like coming together. Let's curl those lashes. Okay, so how do the lashes look? Cute. I think they look good. I like it. Okay, so let me go ahead and just do my hair, put on a lip, and get ready. And then we're gonna go see the Grinch soon. Alright? Okay. Okay guys, so this is what we look like. Time to get ready so that we can go meet the Grinch at the library.
Look at me, guys.
You look so cute.
Yep.
Okay, so this is the makeup look. This is the fit. We have our Vans on. We're ready to go meet the Grinch. Okay guys, so we're at the library to see the Grinch and meet him. We're so excited.
Yeah! Where's the Grinch?
And
yeah, I guess all the schools. Man, great. She likes to go on adventures. Whoa, he is really tall.
guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. All right, bye.